Hello students, today we are discuss about P block elements group 13 2 marks question first year chemistry. Why BF3 behaves as Lewis acid? Answer: BF3 is a electron deficient compound. It can accept electron pair from another element and obey the octant rule. Second question: is boric acid protic acid? Explain. Boric acid can accept electron pair from OH minus ion, so it is not protic acid. BOH taken thrice plus 2HOH gives rise to BOH taken 4 times, total charge -1 plus H3O plus. Next question: explain why atomic radius of gallium is less than that of aluminum. Answer: most important question ఇది. Due to poor shielding effect of d electrons in gallium and the effective nuclear charge of gallium is more than aluminum. Next, give the formula of boragine. Write its common name. B3N3H6 is called borazole or boragine. It is also called inorganic benzene. Next, write the uses of aluminum. So used in making alloys, used in making of body of airships and aeroplane body prepare చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ ఆఫ్ కేబుల్స్, అంటే వైర్లు, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ కండక్టర్ కాబట్టి ఎలక్ట్రికల్ వైర్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైబ్రిడేషన్ ఆఫ్ బోరాన్ ఇన్ డైబోరేన్ అండ్ బోరాజోల్? డైబోరేన్ B2H6, దాంట్లో బోరాన్ అండర్గో sp3 హైబ్రిడేషన్. బోరాజోల్ దాంట్లో బోరాన్ అండర్గో sp2 hybridization. Next question: how do you explain higher stability of TiCl than TiCl3? Answer: Ti+1 is more stable than Ti+3 due to inert pair effect. Last question: metal borides are used as protective shield. Why? Answer: metal borides are to absorb neutrons, so these are used as protective shields and control rods. So these are the important questions in group 13 elements, 2 marks question, very important.